welcome to this ArchiCAD tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the user interface and user experience of ArchiCAD. ArchiCAD is a powerful BIM software for architects and designers and architect students as well. Let's start with the workspace. When you launch ArchiCAD, you will see a clean and intuitive interface. The workspace is divided into several areas. At the top to the left, we have the toolbar and menu bar. This is your go-to for essential tools. You can see your file, the edits, the design, the view, and documents. At the right, we have the Navigator that helps you move through your project flow, section, and elements. The center stage, that is the floor plan, where all the magic happens. And down at the bottom, the info box shows details about whatever you have selected. That's simple, right? Now, let's talk about the navigation. ArchiCAD provides several ways to move about your project. But to practice this, you need to use your mouse and your keyboard. Now, let's say you want to zoom in and out. You use your mouse wheel. That's the button at the center of your mouse. And to pan around, you hold down the middle mouse button. What if you want to switch floors? Use the navigator on the right. Easy, right? Try it yourself. It's fun. Next, let's cover selection and editing. Click any element to select it. Want to grab more than one? All right, hold shift. Now, to edit, you can use the toolbar or right click for a quick menu. Try it out. It's interesting. Now, playing around with it, you'll get the hang of it. With time, obviously, it takes practice. Yeah. And that's it for your quick intro into ArchiCAD. You've got the basics down, and now it's time to start designing. But before you go, here's a pro tip. Customize your workspace to make it your own. And don't forget to explore ArchiCAD built-in resources if you get stuck. Alright, so hit the like button if this really helped you, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Happy designing.